This video will show you how to install apps from your Android phone to your Firestick. Phone and Firestick need to be connected to same Wi-Fi. Turn on your Firestick. Click Setting, My Fire TV, Developer option. ADB debugging, turn on. Switch to your phone. Open Play Store, search App2Fire. Install. Open. I agree. Select Setup. Select Search Fire TVS. Your Firestick should appear. Select your Firestick. Select Always Allow from this computer. Then select OK. Local Apps. This tab shows the apps installed on your smartphone. You can transfer these to your Amazon Firestick. Fire TV apps, here. You can see the apps installed on your Firestick after connecting. You can download, launch, uninstall, or add them to favorites. Favorites, you can favorite various Fire TV apps, and they'll appear here. Fire TV SD card shows the files and folders on your Firestick. You can download, delete, rename, or launch them. Setup, here. You can establish the connection between apps to Fire and Firestick. There is also a 3-button menu on the top right side, and screenshot and upload shortcuts. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.